Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Hi, how are you today? I'm EmRatThich. The atmosphere inside the Grand Table Tennis Arena was electric, as fans from across Asia had gathered to witness the epic showdown at the Asian Table Tennis Championships 2023. The final match had come down to two legendary players, Ma Long and Fan Zhendong.
这个反拍直线啊，再打丢。但马龙在决胜局11-6拿下，总比分3-2击败了樊振东。终于再次在男单的赛事当中夺冠啊，夺得2023年乒乓球亚锦赛的男单冠军。哇，这就是马龙。当比赛樊振东非常可惜啊，大比分2-1领先，结果在第四局出现了这个状态出现了一些波动，陷入低迷，结果被马龙抓住机会完成了逆转。恭喜马龙，那同时也把掌声送给樊振东。待会儿还有这个颁奖仪式啊。
Both representing China. It was a battle for the ages, a clash of titans that had the entire continent on the edge of their seats. As the two champions stepped onto the bright blue-colored table, the crowd erupted in cheers. Ma Long, with his unrivaled experience and a long list of accolades, was the sentimental favorite. At almost 35 years old, many wondered if this would be his last hurrah. But he showed no signs of slowing down. Fan Zhendong, on the other hand, was the young prodigy, a rising star who had the potential to dethrone the aging king. The first few sets were a blur of lightning-fast rallies and lightning-quick reflexes. Both players exhibited incredible skill and determination, trading points back and forth. The tension in the arena was palpable, and every point was met with roaring cheers from the fans. Ma Long's supporters, a passionate group of fans who had followed his career for years, were out in full force. They held banners that read, "Time is just a tie with you, but you defeated time at this moment." Their unwavering belief in their idol was evident in their chants and cheers. The match continued to intensify as it went to the final set. The score was tied and it was anyone's game. Every point felt like a battle of wills, a test of endurance and mental fortitude. Both players were drenched in sweat, but their determination never wavered. In the end, it was Ma Long who emerged victorious with a final thunderous smash that left Fan Zhendong sprawling across the table. The crowd erupted into a deafening roar, and Ma Long fell to his knees in victory. He had done it once again, proving that age was just a number when it came to his unparalleled skill and passion for the sport. As Ma Long stood on the podium to receive his championship trophy, his fans erupted in chants of "See you in Paris, Ma Long." The mention of Paris signified the upcoming World Table Tennis Championships, and the fans were already looking forward to seeing their hero compete on the world stage once more. Ma Long, with a smile of gratitude on his face, raised the trophy high above his head. At 35 years old, he was still in his prime, still the best. His journey was far from over, and the fans knew it. The bond between Ma Long and his supporters was unbreakable, and they would continue to cheer him on as he pursued more victories on the international stage. With tears in his eyes, Ma Long looked out at the sea of adoring fans and said, "Thank you all for your unwavering support. See you in Paris." The arena erupted in cheers once more, and as the confetti rained down, it was clear that Ma Long's legacy would live on, inspiring generations of table tennis enthusiasts to come.
Butterfly CEO께서 해주시겠습니다.
May we ask Ms. Osawa Takako, Butterfly CEO, to present the mascot please?
자, 우승대왕에 주어지는 트로피는 카이랄 권학이 대학회장님께서 다시 한번 해주시겠습니다.
May we ask Mr. Khalil R. Mohammadi to present the trophy to the champion please?
最后呢，再一次恭喜马龙
통과가 연결되겠습니다.
Ladies and gentlemen, please
获得冠军，实至名归啊！马龙上演了王者归来，奏国歌仪式。那2023年乒乓球亚锦赛的转播就到这里全部结束啊！接下来在月底，我们将目光锁定到杭州的亚运会，也希望我们球迷继续来关注国乒，为国乒加油！
也是在韩国这种打亚锦赛，连成绩跟10年前都一样，都是可能单打冠军、双打亚军嘛。可能历史有的时候就这么巧合吧。但对于现在的我来说，可能不光赢了冠军这么困难，可能有时候赢一场比赛自己都认为非常困难。可能10年前的时候，一年当中可能可以拿到好几个单打冠军。自从这2年来说，从奥运会以后，自己其实也没有拿到过这种单打冠军，所以自己还是非常渴望嘛。尽管很困难，自己也知道非常不容易，但还是希望拼尽全力去认真去争取每一场的胜利。所以自己这次比赛这种从单打来说，从第1轮开始有很多这种落后的局面，然后也都是靠一分一分去咬回来，才有的最终进到8强，才有真正能够放下包袱这种比赛。包括跟林高远也是这种在场面比较被动，然后赢完以后，我觉得对于今天的林昀儒来说，自己我觉得打的是跟他打最好的一次，也没有想到这种3-0就能够取得胜利。当然决赛对到樊振东，现在不光谁对到樊振东，我相信都会全力以赴去拼。就像我上午说的，可能不光是全力以赴拼一局，其实每一分都需要去争取能够去打出最好的水平，才能得每一分。所以今天自己尽管在这种1比2落后，还是一分一分去咬吧，然后最终能拿冠军，我觉得还是非常开心。
整个亚锦赛你的总结？
我觉得越来越好吧，因为其实从上来的这种团体赛来说，因为毕竟这地方还是多少会有一点高原，还是有一些不适应。但我觉得正是因为我们有了一些小组赛这种适应磨练，然后从巴金斯开始，这种就碰到日本队这么强队，然后自己这种出场，我觉得也是跟小组赛多少有一点适应有关系。可能日本队上来就第1场就碰到我们，所以还是不一样。然后再到半决赛，我觉得自己第3场能赢的比赛，我觉得也不容易。但当时还是腰多少有一点不舒服，然后也是跟教练组商量，然后换上梁靖昆上，我觉得这也是对运动员的这种保护吧。所以给了1天的这种缓冲时间，我觉得对于自己这种整个人的恢复，我觉得还是有很多的帮助。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.